Do you want a clean pool without the hassle of scrubbing and sweeping? Meet the YBOT A1, a smart pool cleaner designed to make your life easier in 2025. What makes it stand out? Let me tell you. First, it offers 4 selectable cleaning cycles, meaning you can schedule it to clean just the way you want for up to 7 days. Whether you need a quick clean or a deep one, YBOT has a mode ready to go. Next up, its dual-layer filtration system sets it apart. Unlike most robots that use just one filter, the A1 uses a 180 micron mesh combined with a cotton foam layer. This means 70% more filtration area. So it picks up everything from tiny sand particles to leaves and debris. One of its coolest features? The patented edge-enhanced cleaning. When it reaches the pool walls, the robot pauses for a few seconds to focus on those tricky edges. No more dirt lines ruining your perfect pool. Look, worried about battery life? Don't be. The A1 runs up to 120 minutes on a single charge that's double what many older models can do. Plus, the suction port is twice as large, so it can handle bigger messes with ease. And when it's time to recharge, it only takes 2.5 hours, much faster than the usual 6 or 7 hours on older models. Finally, it's designed with the user in mind. All buttons, charging ports, and LED lights are on top, easy to find and operate, no flipping the robot over. If you want a pool that stays sparkling clean with minimal effort, YBOT A1 is definitely worth checking out. Check the product link in the video description below for more details. Looking for a simple way to keep your pool clean without the cords, mess, or effort? Meet the Aper Scuba SE, a smart cordless robotic pool cleaner that brings powerful performance and effortless operation to your backyard. Let's start with something important. This is an officially certified refurbished device. It's been fully tested, professionally cleaned, and works just like new. Yes, it might have some minor cosmetic marks, but performance, 100% intact, and it comes with AIPER's 180-day warranty, so you can buy with confidence. Now let's talk features. First, its optimized hydrodynamic design. This isn't just for looks. The sleek shape helps the robot glide through water smoothly, using less power for movement and more for cleaning. More efficiency, less waste. Second, the self-parking function. Once it finishes a cleaning cycle, it automatically returns to its starting point. That means no more fishing around your pool to pull it out. It's right where you left it. Third, long battery life. With up to 90 minutes of runtime, it can clean pools up to 860 square feet on a single charge. That's plenty for most backyard pools. Fourth, it's fully cordless. No cables, no tangling, just drop it in and let it go. You get full freedom and zero frustration. And finally, fast drainage. After use, the AIPER drains 90% of the water inside in just 15 seconds. This makes it lightweight, easy to lift, and quick to store. If you're looking for a pool robot that's smart, efficient, and easy to use, the AIPER Scuba SE is definitely worth a look. You'll find the product link in the video description below. Want a pool vacuum that's powerful, smart, and easy to use without any of the hassle? Meet the AIPER Cordless Above-Ground Pool Vacuum, designed for effortless pool cleaning with zero stress. Let's talk features and why this little machine might be exactly what your pool needs. First, it's robotic and it's smart. This vacuum uses advanced automation to clean your pool from floor to wall with minimal effort from you. You press one button and it does the rest. Second, compact and powerful. Despite its sleek and lightweight design, it packs serious suction power. It easily picks up debris, dirt, and even those pesky leaves that usually stick to the bottom or sides. Third, built-in filtration and debris management. With a large capacity filter system, it captures and holds everything it collects. So your pool stays crystal clear. And here's something extra. A built-in chemical dispenser helps purify your water as it cleans. So not only does it vacuum, it balances your pool too. Fourth, cordless and self-parking. That's right, no cables, no tangles. Just drop it in, and when the battery gets low, it automatically stops near the pool wall so you can pick it up easily. Fifth, extended battery life. You get up to 90 minutes of runtime on a full charge, which is more than enough for most flat, above-ground pools. Up to 860 square feet. And last, it's ultra convenient. At just 7.5 pounds, it's light, easy to carry, and it drains quickly after use. So, setup, cleanup, and storage? All simple. If you want to spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your pool, the AIPER cordless vacuum could be just what you need. We've added the product link in the video description below. Check it out if you're interested. Thanks for watching Smart Consumer TV, your guide to smarter, easier living.